Hey, buddy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki, and today we're going to be doing the February 2025 Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging slash unboxing. I got my package today and I already did a little preview of the products, and it seems all to be a little bit more skincare oriented this month, but that is no problem for me. I'm a skincare girly true and true, so I'm going to be reviewing the items with you and doing like a little demo and first impressions. So the first item that we're going to be looking at is this Generation Skin. I'm reading from my information card. Is the Generation Skin Pore Refining Cleanser for clear, smooth, and balanced skin. Start your routine with this cleanser. It's formulated with purifying plum extract to help lift away dead skin cells and draw out the excess gunk from your pores. Plus, probiotic ensures your skin stays calm. So, it's safe for sensitive skin too. Tip, lather, and massage over damp face using gentle circular motions and rinse. This is retailed at 150 ml for $35. This is 20 ml, the size. So I'm going to be trying this out. I'm going to be using my little pore scrubber thing that I usually use. So this pore refining cleanser gel is a burst of Australian native botanics such as Kadaku plum, which boasts the, and I think it had Kadaku plum in the glow recipe lip balm that I really was amazed with the other day as well. So if it's the same ingredient, then hopefully I like it. It boasts the highest concentration of vitamin C of any plant in the world, perfect for improving skin tone and texture, and I always suffer with textural irregularity. It has a slightly sweet plummy smell. Let me go get my, I'm gonna wet my face and get my scrubber. Okay, so my face is wet, my trusted silicone is wet. I'm gonna be applying a dime size, which is normally the recommendation. Yeah. And get to work. Let's see how it lathers. Oh, it smells so refreshing. It's almost like a shampoo fragrance, but not overwhelming at all. Because my skin is oil and dry, because my skin is oily and dry, I can almost immediately after using a facial wash tell if it's really drying or if it's moisturizing or whatever. Like, first impressions are almost always right when it comes to face washes for me, because my skin is kind of thin and it tends to get crappy really easily. So I'll be able to tell you soon. But I absolutely love that it says pore refining and pore what? Pore refining. Yeah, that's the right thing. Because I have this problem area between my eyes and my nose. That's a really sensitive area. Now I don't want to go too hard and then blame any. Like you can say, I already made my skin red there. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse off and come back. Okay, so you can see I have a little redness here, and that's just from the way I was over scrubbing my face. I was going a little extra hard. So at this interval, the next thing that I would use, because I just want to be using these products on my face tonight, right? I'm going to use the next thing that they gave me, which was the Dew Gods. They actually gave me this box. Dew Gods Palm Glaze Retinol Reparative Facial Oil. The Dew of the Gods Palm Glaze Pomegranate and Retinol Reparative Oil. Let's see what the first impressions are. Look at this cute little applicator. Okay, so this doesn't feel like an oil at all. It feels more like a serum. It feels like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide, that foamy texture and consistency that you see coming up. Oh, I forgot to tell you how my face felt after using the wash. It feels good, actually. After using the face wash, it feels good. It doesn't feel too drying. It doesn't feel like it did nothing. My face felt clean and refreshed. So yeah, that's that. I guess I will only see the results after maybe about a week. I think that tube could probably last me a week, so I'll give you a review on how I think it worked. But this definitely does not have an oily consistency at all. If you see there, it's not giving oil, it's just like a serum. So I'm gonna allow that to dry down a bit. Okay, so the card says, rest easy while this superfood serum works its reparative magic overnight. It's packed with free radical fighting antioxidants from pomegranate, niacinamide. I told you it did feel like it had niacinamide in it. For targeting discoloration, and a dash of retinol, maybe just the tiniest pinch, to help diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And that's not something I have just yet, so I really couldn't give you a review on in terms of if it works for the fine lines and wrinkles, but definitely discoloration and textural irregularity, yes. It says massage 3 to 6 drops over your dry face every evening after cleansing. That's exactly what I did, and the 30 ml bottle sells for $30. This is 0.3 ml. So just imagine this by 10. I don't know, I'm not good at math. Moving on. So this feels good. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use all of these things religiously every night but I'm gonna incorporate it into my other skincare regime because I have my things that I like to use. I'll use it around those things. Next up is the Byroe Black Cherry Plump Lip Oil, and I guess this is more of a cosmetic product, but I love putting things on my lips. That probably sounded really weird, but I love it. I love treating my lips well. So so at first impression, you already see a tint. For one, it feels so good. It is not sticky. It smells refreshing. It does not smell like a mint type fragrance. I don't know what it is. It reminds me, it actually reminds me of the Cherry Halls mint, the red pack Halls. That's the smell I'm getting. So it's menthol along with some cherry fragrance. So yeah, that's what it did, and it has a tingly feeling because it's a plumping oil. So I think a little bit will go a long way with this. I still have a lot of oil on my finger and I'm mad because I don't want to waste it at all. It's such a tiny tube, and I know that I love it because I just love pampering my lips. So the Byroe, it's not Byroe, it's Byroe. I don't know if I said Byroe before. Byroe Black Cherry Plump Lip Oil. This blissful gloss oil hybrid nourishes, plumps, and hydrates your lips to perfection with upcycled black cherry, jojoba oil, and sunflower seed oil. You'll love the vibrant, cherry-tinted color and glossy, non-sticky finish that makes your pout look effortlessly luscious. Swipe it on your lips whenever you need a burst of hydration and glossy shine. The full size version is 4.5 grams and it retails for $40. So this is, they don't even have grams on it. This is a 2 ml tube. I don't know what a 4.5 gram tube would look like. All right, so I just came out of the shower. And this is next up on my lineup. This is a Barrier Culture body cream with prebiotic complex from New. And my legs are so ashy right now, I can actually feel them itching. So this one comes with a little seal. Okay, so I'm taking a good bit. It has a very slight herbal, like type of like a hemp oil type fragrance. Let me see if there's any hemp seed oil. The ingredients are shea butter, glycerin, sweet almond oil, kernel oil, cocoa butter. Okay, I'm not seeing anything about hemp. Okay, if you know me in person, then you know that I'm tall. I have long legs, and I just literally went up my leg in the shortest space of time ever, and it was fully creamed. But this is not lasting me more than 2 days. It's almost empty already. And the good thing is it rubs in really quickly. Like, one of my biggest pet peeves, even as a child, was lotions that take forever to rub in and remain white. It definitely smells like hemp seed. I don't know why. Maybe that's the fragrance. Right, so that's the new. I don't think it's gonna do much for me because it's probably 1 or 2 uses, but it's cool. I can't tell anything special from it just based on this impression alone. But let me read the information. It says the barrier repairing body cream does more than just drench, clean, and hydration, which my skin actually does feel very hydrated but not oily. It focuses on bringing your skin barrier function back to balance with pre, pro, and post. That's a new one. Postbiotics. Alright. That support your skin's microbiome, smooth a generous amount all over your body, focusing on dry spots. And fun fact about me, I actually have a condition called keratosis pilaris. Embarrassing. I actually have a skin condition called keratosis pilaris, which is where the keratin around the hair follicle is in excess, and it blocks up the hair follicle. So I tend to have this kind of chicken looking skin. Yeah. And the drier my skin is the worse that will appear. So when I was younger and I was paying absolutely no attention to my skincare, you know, I was chickening all over the place, right? So I have it on my elbows, my hips, yeah. And I'm always thinking about how to get rid of it. And moisture, basically exfoliating chemical or physical exfoliants and layered with moisture, that's the best solution for that type of skin. So I was hoping that it would have been enough for me to like really put it on those areas so I could see the difference, but it is what it is. My legs feel good for now, right? Next item is this. Oh, did I show you the bag? I didn't get to show you guys the bag. This is the bag and the little lollipop that says Ipsy. That's so cute, right? And on the inside it has hearts. So this is my second little beauty bag that I've gotten so far, and I love it. That sound you hear is me putting it in the drawer, so I have 2 so far. Alright, the next thing I want to review is this Benefit Cosmetics Badgal Bounce, and I'm so happy to be a part of this sampling section, because you know, everyone who orders from Ipsy, they may get something different based on their preference, based on what they put on their questionnaire. And I love mascaras, I love makeup generally, so I'm happy that some of the brands that are not available to me locally, I'm able to sample them and to try them out through this subscription package. So I'm getting to use this, and this is actually one of the newer releases from Benefit Cosmetics. So this mascara, it says your quest for ultra lifted lashes that defy gravity ends with this newly launched mascara. It creates a perfect lift off for every lash thanks to aero particles. That's right, the ultralight material used in space technology. Damn. So lashes are sky high and never weighed down. Tip: apply the mascara from roots, then wiggle the brush up to the tips. This full size, which is at 8.5 gram, retails for $29. This is 3 grams. So an 8.5 gram, I think, is just like the standard size of mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna try It says apply. Now I don't have long lashes, as you can see, but let's see what it's looking like with this mascara. Okay, so this mascara brush has two sides, one with brushes, one with bristles. I don't know which one to use where. Let's see how it goes. One thing I would say is that the wand is very short, but that is no reflection of the actual product. It's just that's what they gave me for the sake of a sample size. It's shorter than I would normally like. It's already looking good, like literally with one swipe. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna make sure and do one eye fully so you can see the difference. Alright, so that's 2 coats so far. I'm going to allow it to dry down a bit and then come back. Alright, so this is the result of the mascara. I find that mascara tends to get better over time. I don't know if that's the case with this. I don't know. What do you think? Is it worth the hype? I don't know. Anyway, this comes to the end. This brings us to the end of my unbagging slash unboxing. I'll let you guys know how the products stand up, and maybe like at the end of March I'll do like my favorite for the quarter so far, my favorite products, and yeah, let you guys know what I'll be repurchasing, what I'll be interested in repurchasing, etc. So stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all the things. Bye.